We have used the get method so far, but now it's time to use another HTTP verb, namely post for submitting data to a server. Along with the get method are methods corresponding to all of the HTTP verbs, and therefore there is a post method as well. I want to implement so that we can add a new review for a given product. I have prepared an endpoint on the Node server for this in advance, so all we need to do is to send a post request to this endpoint with the details of the review as JSON in the response body. On the front end side of things, I have added a form to the template as well as a submit event handler, which invokes a method named addNewReview with the review object as an argument. Since the structure of this object matches the structure on the server, we just have to send this object as JSON. So let's go down to the method that I mentioned, the addNewReview method, and write this $http.post and write http localhost port 3000 as always /products/ and then a URI template for the product ID /reviews. And as the second argument, we can pass in the review, followed by an options object for the URI template. So with a params property being an object, and pass in the product ID exactly as we did before. Now the Node server actually requires a content type header of application/JSON for this to work correctly, but we haven't specified that. We could do that by just adding a headers object to the options object, but actually we don't need to do it. This is because VueResource adds this header for us automatically by default, just as it automatically passes JSON in the responses if the header is present on the response. Time to open up the browser and see it in action. So let's click a product and enter some information in the form at the bottom. Hit the submit button, and I'll just need to refresh the page to see the review. And there we go, the review has been added on the server. And that's how easy it is to send post requests with VueResource.